If you are looking to build or enhance your dropshipping business, Magento is one of the most powerful e-commerce platforms available today. This video walks you through everything you need to know about using Magento for dropshipping, starting with how to install and configure the platform. Magento offers flexibility, scalability, and a wide range of customizable features that cater to the needs of small businesses and enterprise-level users alike. From managing products and inventory to integrating payment gateways and shipping methods, Magento simplifies the process of running an online store. You'll learn how to select themes and extensions to enhance the user experience and improve store functionality. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. The video also explores Magento's built-in SEO tools, which allow you to optimize your store for better visibility in search engine results. We'll demonstrate how to effectively track analytics to understand customer behavior and drive more conversions. By the end of this overview, you'll see why Magento is a leading choice for dropshipping businesses around the world. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.